Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into all things beauty. Today we're exploring the Adore semi-permanent hair color in jet black, a vegan and cruelty-free option that promises to transform your hair with vibrant color. This product comes in a convenient 4-ounce pack of 2, making it perfect for those looking to refresh their look without breaking the bank. Adore's jet black hair dye boasts a vivid, long-lasting formula designed for easy application at home. One of the standout features is its user-friendly design, which allows you to achieve salon-quality results without the need for professional help. The dye applies smoothly and evenly, ensuring a hassle-free coloring experience from start to finish. In my personal experience using this product, I found the application process straightforward. The texture of the dye was creamy, allowing it to glide onto my hair without dripping. It didn't take long to set, and I appreciated how it felt gentle on my hair and scalp, which is particularly important for anyone with sensitivities. When it comes to performance, Adore truly delivers. I tested the dye on my natural hair and the results were impressive. The color was rich and vibrant, providing full coverage on my dark base. After washing it out, the color remained bold for weeks, even with regular washing. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the dye is free from harsh chemicals like alcohol, peroxide, and ammonia, which is fantastic for maintaining hair health. It's also vegan and cruelty-free, making it an ethical choice for those conscious of animal welfare. However, one potential drawback is that semi-permanent dyes like this one may fade quicker than permanent options. If you're someone who colors frequently, you might need to reapply every few weeks. In comparison to similar products on the market, Adore stands out due to its commitment to using safe ingredients. While there are cheaper alternatives available, such as drugstore brands, they often contain more aggressive chemicals that can damage hair over time. Adore's quality and ethical stance justify its price, especially for anyone prioritizing hair health. Speaking of price, the value for money here is quite good. With 2 packs included, you get enough product to cover multiple applications, especially for shorter hair. The build quality of the packaging is solid. Each bottle dispenses the dye easily without any mess. User-friendliness is another highlight. The straightforward instructions make it accessible for everyone, whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner. I also want to mention that I had a great experience with Adore's customer support. They were responsive and helpful, addressing any questions I had promptly. In real-world testing, I've used this dye for several events, and it held up beautifully, even in humid weather. The color didn't run or fade unexpectedly, which is a significant plus. As for updates, there haven't been any significant changes or new formulations since my last review, so you can trust that you're getting a consistent product. Now, if you're enjoying this review, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. It really helps us bring you more fabulous content. In summary, I wholeheartedly recommend Adore's semi-permanent hair color in jet black for anyone looking for a vibrant and ethical hair dye solution. It's best suited for individuals who value gentle formulas and ethical production, whether you're a hair dye novice or a seasoned expert. For longevity, I've found that with proper care, the color lasts well, and the hair remains healthy and soft. So, if you're considering a hair transformation, this might just be your go-to choice. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description box below. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments, or share your experiences if you've tried this dye already. Your feedback is always welcome.